Hey everyone, Trina here, back with another mixed media art video. Today we're going to do a bit of watercolor and some collage. Just spritz down my paper here. Let's add in some cerulean. I just went for a walk and saw the most beautiful sky, so we're going to try to recreate that. Try is the operative word. Let's drop in a little bit of that umber. I'm kind of just trying to use the paint that's already on my palette. And we're just going to get a nice fun sky going here. I'm going to come in and take some of this out, make some little puffies. I just love that cerulean so much. It's so pretty. A little bit of orange in there as well. Okay, let's let that dry. Let's drop in a little bit of the liquid umber through here. Feeling very serene today. It's a serene kind of day. You can see I've already put down a little bit of the wax marks through there. And a little bit more of that through here. Take some of these out a little bit. Let's add a little bit of the sanguine through here. We've got this piece of the medical exam paper that we made with the pastels. Lay that down. Put down a little bit of gel medium through here. I am going to spritz this lightly. This is the medical exam paper. I'm just going to lay it down right through here. Make a little thing, a little cove, a little landmass through there. I like that. That's pretty cool. Okay, I've got a little bit of Payne's Gray here. I just want to make another little like mass coming up through here in the distance. I don't want it to be too bright as I make it darker. I'm going to come in with a paper towel here and take some of that out. I want it to be pretty light. I'm just going to dry later, so I have to remember that. I'm going to add some of the Schmincke Desert Yellow through here. Okay, I've got some aqua pasto here. I'm gonna want to make like a, I think just through here. Let's come in with our catalyst wedge. That's really pretty right there. I like that line. Does something. Trying to be pretty simple and more intentional today. A little less chaos. Feeling a lot of chaos lately in my work. So I'm trying to make it a little less chaotic. Let's put some up here to kind of bring that together. I like that granulation that's going on there and that little piece, that little texture going on there. So I mixed in a little bit of rose madder, which is like a red color, into the aqua pasto mixture. I'm just going to bring that through here. Carve out a little bit. Bring it down. I might want to bring some of that down here too. I'm like using the side of this to make some cool marks. Okay, I'm going to come in. I've made some more crayon marks through here. Let's see what happens when we put crayon marks over actual already painted areas. If we're actually going to be able to say, this is the light sepia that I mixed up. I don't know if I like that. Maybe it needs to be more. Let's add a little bit more color in there. Okay, that didn't really work as much as I thought it was going to. Interesting. Let's come in with our X-Acto knife. Just put some marks through here. And add a little bit more of that brown. Oh, that's fun. I like that. I like those little tiny little lines it left in there. It's kind of a nice little structure going on there. Okay, I want more of that aqua pasto through here. I want it to be a little more. I think I'm just going to use the brush for this one. Okay, so I've mixed up a little bit of the port color from the Derwent set. It's almost like a wine color. I think it's going to look really nice through there. Ooh, I like that mark. Oh, that's fun. Let's leave that through here. I just like that mark it made, like real kind of almost rocky. Can I make it again? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe not. How the hell did I do that? Let's put some thicker paint through here. That's just such a good mark. It doesn't have to be the same. Oh, I like that. I think that really added something. I like that texture we got going on there. Okay. And I think I want to bring in a little bit more of that color. Let me get some more out. From the Derwent set. Maybe without the aqua pasto, just a little aqua pasta, little bits through here. I think there might have been still some aqua pasta on my brush, but that's okay. And I kind of covered up our line there. I'm thinking I might need a... No, I don't think I need a... I was thinking I might want to put a stamp through there, but I don't think I do. What happens if we just come in with this and get some of that color coming down through here. Might need some of that over here too. It's looking a little stagnant. And there was some brown. Awesome. I like the brown and the sort of purpley colors together. I like this. This has a little bit of aquapasto in it. Okay, that's not good. Okay, let's let this dry. And we're going to come in with our gold ochre today. And I think just right through here. I don't know. The gold's not really showing up that well. Okay, I've got the orange Mungyo, or the burnt ochre from Mungyo on the deli paper. I still want to add, I'm going to come with the stylus this time. I think I might be okay with it just being real subtle. These colors are really close to what we had already. So I don't know if they're going to show up anymore. I'm going to come in with a little bit of a damp brush. I think I want some of this out. I don't know that I... And a good lesson. You can take out, because these are water soluble, you can blend them and take them out, or you don't like them. To some extent. I mean, you can't erase them, obviously, but... Okay, let's add some black marks in here. I think just right through here. Okay, here it is with the mat. Love the collage paper. I think that really did something back there. And I love this subtle little hint back here at another landmass back there doing something. Love the scribbly marks. Love what we did with the aquapasto, although I kind of covered it up over here. But I'm okay with that. Kind of just peeks through a little bit. But that's a really cool technique we're going to have to use in the future of just kind of digging right back into it. Love the crayon marks. I think there's a lot of good stuff going here. I think it's very active. There's a lot going on to move your eye throughout the piece, I think. And I like the way the sky turned out. Real simple, not too crazy. Yeah, overall, very happy with this one. Feels very serene to me. Yeah. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over here to see the next video. Check out the watercolor playlist, which I'll put in the links in the comments. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.